Okay, on this one, we're going to calculate the moles of acetate if you have 58 grams of acetate. So right here, this is our molar mass we found earlier. Remember, one of the things I told you to write in your notes at the bottom of one of the problems we did as an example is that if the question ever has anything about mass, always find molar mass. So we're going to look here, calculate moles. So we're searching for moles of acetate if you have 58 grams. So we're starting with 58 grams, which is a mass. So since it says mass, we must find molar mass, which, conveniently enough, I already have it up there, because you can watch the other video to find molar mass. So we must find molar mass. So now what I'm going to do, since it says mass, I'm sure you can see it on the, you can see it on the video. I'm going to start this problem. So I underlined the given, circled the unknown. I could also underline what substance it's talking about. Remember, acetate, polyatomic ion, C2H3O2. So I'm going to use 58 grams of acetate. So this is what we start out with. We're trying to get rid of grams because it wants us to get to moles. So notice, grams is on top, grams has to go on bottom. Okay, how this works is 59.043 grams, always that number always has to go with grams, and 1 always has to go with mole. And so what we can do is we can flip this, but we cannot change the numbers. Okay, so we can flip it completely, but 59 always has to go with grams, 1 always has to go with mole. And so we can change and put 59.0437 grams of C2H3O2 on bottom. So if this goes on bottom, that means this one's going to have to go on top. So that means we flipped it. So 1 mole of C2H3O2. When we multiply these across, we'll take 58 times 1 divided by 59. We're going to cancel out our grams of acetate. We will get 0.98 moles of acetate will be our answer.